My name is Dr. Thomas Berger. I'm a German citizen, but I live in Abu Dhabi since 15 years. I'm a trained dermatologist. I've been working in a university hospital back home in Germany, and after that training and working as a doctorate for dermatology, I moved to Abu Dhabi, working first in the governmental sector, then later on in private. I do broad-based dermatology, but also lots of aesthetic medicine. And I work in a private clinic at the moment since approximately 6-7 years in Abu Dhabi. And I also do teaching for the American Academy of Aesthetic Medicine since a couple of years already, teaching beginners and more advanced users on injectables, on peelings, on advanced techniques and lasers, machines, and stuff like that. In my opinion, AAM provides a very comprehensive curriculum for aesthetic medicine. It's very good for beginners. So if you have never done anything, like never have injected Botox or fillers or done a peel or used a laser machine, it's a means of doing the first steps, of doing safe injection techniques, safe use of machines, safe use of procedures without causing risk to patients. At the same time, it's good for more advanced users because the presenters, the faculty of AAM is consisting of very advanced aesthetic physicians, plastic surgeons, dermatologists, who can really provide lots of hands-on experience, lots of personal experience and daily life problems. So I think most of the delegates, they really appreciate the fact that we are not only doing a theoretical course, but we also provide lots of hand-on experience. We are around at the courses. We are very approachable. People can ask us questions. And I think that's the big plus of doing courses with AAM.